So I'm taking a walk up here at Wapato, and now the grass and wildflowers and dandelions. These dandelions are about 2.5 feet tall, and we got the burnout dry. I think it's some buds on these, but it's an interesting contrast here. And we got some blackberries right here, slowly getting some blackberries. Those are gonna be tasty. Some blackberries. Blackberries over here. And wildflowers. We got some honeysuckle. Here, we got some honeysuckle up here. Let's look. Oh, it looks like it got kind of bombed out by the hot weather, huh? Look, there's Teresa. Honeysuckle. Teresa knows all kinds of plants. What do we got over here, Teresa?
Sweet peas.
Where?
The purple. That's some sweet peas.
So the purple flowers are sweet peas. Wild sweet peas?
Yeah.
Wild sweet pea. Oh. What else?
It's kind of the same.
Pretty contrast though. The grass has gotten like 3 feet tall. And these are blackberries.
That's tansy ragwort.
Where? That's tansy. Tansy ragwort. Look at that. It's actually tansy ragwort. All right. And okay, and that's sweet pea, right?
Fireweed.
That's fireweed? That's not sweet pea? Fireweed's purple too? Okay. We're learning a lot. Learning a lot. And we got the long, see this long grass is so beautiful with the wildflowers. Oh yeah, so here we have clovers, right? These are purple clovers. Here. Oh. We got a mystery.
I don't know what they are. Do you see these pink and white stripes?
You're not supposed to walk in there, you get in trouble.
The sign's gone. See
No.
the pink and white stripe ones over here too?
Yeah. Those are wildflowers though, right?
Yeah, I can't tell what they are from here though. It's too blackberry.
Maybe there's some more up here. Oh, there is. Yeah, I think they, oh yeah, right up here. Okay, we're gonna take a look here. Ooh, what's this thing? That's prickly.
It's a rose.
Oh, that's okay. So that's gonna be a rose, and these are
I don't know.
lilies.
No. It almost looks like a poppy, but not. I don't know what.
Oh, these got burned out by the heat, huh?
Yeah.
What's this?
They kind of look like a rose of Sharon. That's Salal.
Salal.
I don't know what the pink ones are.
This is weed. Oh, a weed.
Oh, they're so pretty. I've never seen them here before. Maybe somebody planted a seed.
What's this?
I think it's actually, I think that's a hawthorn.
Oh.
Or a barberry, but it's probably a hawthorn because of the thorns like that.
All right. Look, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I don't know. I don't know, but this is freaking beautiful to me. How the, this is grass, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the grass, and then the fireweed
Yep.
in the actual. So does fireweed grow where there was fire? Because that would have been
it's
burned.
the
It's
first,
burned.
It's called fireweed because it's the first plant that comes back after a fire.
Oh. We're learning so much on this trip. So much. This is our nature plant learning experience with tansy ragwort.
There's tansy ragwort over there.
Yep, there we go. Tansy ragwort. And here's some more burnout trees. It's kind of, it's almost like, it's like an abandoned house, like it starts, like everything starts growing around it.
Well, the big green poofs at the bottom are the plant regrowing itself.
Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm.
That's the same thing, huh?
That's the same plant. It's just growing baby shoots. So it didn't, the main structure of it didn't die, it'll regrow, and then the different ones will just break off.
So when I saw this stuff last time I was up here, I started to think that it was standing up, but
no, that's that stuff that gets burrs. Like when you little round burrs that stick to you.
Yeah.
See, look, it stuck to me. I can't remember what it's called, but it's a viney, low vine.
Somebody left their dog poo. That's a bad idea. Oh, I'll leave my bag of dog poo for somebody else to pick it up. Who thinks that? Beautiful. I think there's raspberries up here too. If I remember right. What else did we see up here? Oh, there was the stuff that you can take if you have heart problems. It starts with a D.
Digitalis.
Digitalis, yeah.
Foxglove.
Foxglove is right over here, isn't it? Somewhere.
There's raspberry. This is raspberry.
Okay,
and then there's raspberries, but they got burnt in the heat.
Uh-oh.
But that's what raspberry looks like.
These raspberries didn't make it.
This is blackberry, and this is raspberry.
It's going to probably be some more raspberries, right?
Yeah, there's more there.
Or, I mean, are they going to come back up?
Yeah.
All right, good. I'd be fucking pissed if they didn't. I'm kidding. Oh, look, there's a... Oh, honeybee. Sorry, bud. Whoop. All right. Let's see. What else we got? Anything... Oh, we got a cherry tree. We got a cherry tree.
They're probably not very good.
Oh yeah, they look kind of. I think they got beat up by the heat too.
Not bad. Small. They're good.
The birds love them.
Better than pie cherries.
Okay, here we go. Is this where the digitalis? What's it called? Foxglove? Is that what you said?
Foxglove.
Yeah, I swear that we saw a foxglove here one day. Right along here somewhere.
I don't see
I think so.
Yeah.
Maybe not. Oh well. All right. Oh, oh, beautiful. Look at this. Just love the contrast. It's like, it seems to me, even if some of these trees didn't get burned, they still got affected by the massive amounts of heat. Like these ones here, you can tell, like, just the heat from the fire last year probably made it not, you know, not be able to come back the same. Do you know what this is? Uh-oh. This one's got little...
It's a birch
bumps.
or some kind of an aspen.
Yeah.
See, like
That's
that,
probably what these are, but
yeah,
they're...
see like the big one? See how there's no leaves down low where it got burnt? And
Yeah.
then the leaves start
Yep.
halfway up.
Interesting. Oh, this is beautiful here. Look at that. Very nice. It's very pleasant out today. Okay, so this is where I was talking about the branches. Okay, so if you look at the branches this side, on this side got burnt. I don't know if you can see this on film, but this side got burnt really bad, but you can see a little shoots coming off certain parts of the branches. See? You know, like up there, you can see just little ones coming off.
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting? I thought that was... It's probably hard to see it on camera.
So the ends will probably eventually die and break off in a windstorm.
Oh, yeah. And then the new branches will...
grow from the end. Or like the node, the bud node, is probably still okay right there.
Interesting. Yeah, up there you can see the shoots of the new foliage. Is that what you call it? Foliage. Yeah.
Because it's a elm tree.
What do you guys think? You like learning about nature? All right. Okay, I'm winding it up. Anybody that stayed this long, you just learned a lot about your average... Oh, look, there's a little bird over there. Yeah, Washington wild plants and flowers. You got, and all the birds.
Oh, look, it was
Haven't even been paid.
This, yeah, that dead tree you asked me about, this isn't alive. And see the thorns?
Oh, yeah.
It's a hawthorn. They're super sharp like needles.
Oh, look!
Apple tree!
Apple tree! Look at that! Okay, this is our last. Look at that. We got an apple tree. Those crab apples.
Maybe not.
All right, shutting it down.
Oh, there's that blackberry.
All right. See you later.